Heron Wealth President David Edwards has just gotten into the chair. He's going to join the conversation. David, what are you buying right now?
Good morning, Liz. How you doing? The last time we got together 6 weeks ago, we were talking about that walking on thin ice feeling. And back then, I wasn't buying anything. Not U.S., not international, not emerging, not even corporate bonds. Now that we're neck deep in freezing cold water, we've been buying everything for the last week. And a lot of our clients have been putting money into their accounts. We've been buying them today as well.
Like what?
Everything. Just straight index funds, mutual funds, stocks. We've got some individual stocks we can talk about later today.
Thank you.
But if the market gives you a 20% discount in 3 weeks, you have to take it.
Okay, 20% discount in 3 weeks. We're scratching back about 4.7% for the S&P right now. We do have leaders on the screen. CME Group, which has announced that we have record number of trades. They broke the record for, I believe, oil trades when it comes to all of the derivatives and futures trading that they do down there. That's just a winner no matter what.
Sure.
But what about the airlines? There's still so many question marks right now.
Right. Well, we don't buy airline stocks in general.
Anyway.
In good times, it's hard to make money. In bad times, it's just bad times.
Phil Flynn, I want to just quickly bring you back here because we did have Dick Beauvais saying be careful of the bank stocks. They may be too exposed to the volatility here and the potential for lower rates.
I do think that some of the banks, especially if they have a lot of exposure to energy, could be a problem. But one of the things we heard from the Trump administration that's being reported right now is that they were looking for some type of a bailout for the U.S. shale producers. That's the biggest risk to banks. And there's a lot of banks in the Texas area
because they've lent
some of these shale producers, right, that have exposure to that. And there's a concern if they start to go other, high yield problems that really aren't affected with energy could go. But if they kind of calm that down, I think the banks would look a lot better.
Is Matt Cheslock still there? Matt,
yes.
I'm just looking at Apple for the moment. This is a widely held stock. It's up 6.6%. Again, also has been very volatile and normally isn't. But where do you see a name like this? Where do you see the big tech names going? It's been a great day for them.
Yeah, when you get a reversal like we're getting, the big caps got all the money flow early. If you looked at the Russell didn't rally till late in the day. So people were focusing on that risk-on trade, at least in the near term, and they were coming in to buy some of these big tech names that were on sale over the last 2 weeks.
David, we're looking at the second highest point gain in history right now for the Dow. We're up 1109 at the moment. What are your staple stocks that you like?
Yeah, so we war gamed this situation months ago. We expect there'll be a tough period going forward. We expect a short recession coming up. We're focusing on companies that are reliable earnings in good times and bad.
Quest Diagnostics, Cintas, Pool Corporation.
Exactly. All reliable earnings, not dependent on international sales. Pool Corporation, people will be staying home this summer, investing in their pools.
Yeah, investing in your pools. Don't go anywhere. Maybe this will all be in the rearview mirror. We can only hope for the health of America's sake and the rest of the world. David, thank you very much. Dave Edwards, markets rallying into the close, hitting session highs. 1,151 point gain for the Dow, S&P up 132.